Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here and to another Open With Me. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. So I've got a bit of a strange one for you today, and that is the new Crochet Now. Or is it? Because I've had this one before. It's number 86 and I did do a review on it, but it's different. Now this is why it's strange, because I've got the same magazine with the same bits and pieces. I'm wondering if they're all the same, and a gift, but it came with this, which it didn't do before. So I'm a bit confused, a bit spun out, and I'm going to have to go through it again, but it may be slightly different because there's some things in it I don't recognise, which is very strange. I remember the picture on the front with Bella Coco, and I remember the, that's about it. And I think I remember the free gift, maybe, I don't know. But when I looked into it, there's some things about it that seem different. Whether it's just the supplement that's thrown me off, I don't know. But it is odd. So I don't feel like I should go through the magazine again. I think it's going to be the same magazine. But that is already on here. So we're going to give that a bypass and we're going to go straight to this supplement. I don't know why I've received it twice. I'm a bit confused by it. But as people have asked me in the past about my magazines, once I've done my review, perhaps I can list them on my website. I'm going to do that for some of my magazines. So especially when I have duplicates as well, if it's one I might want to keep, which quite often is none of them, to be honest with you. But yeah, I might list them. So watch out for them. They're not there yet, but they will be coming up soon, because I just need to speak to my my guy Chris, who helps me with my website, the best way to show them. So watch out for that, and that's at www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. I will just say at the moment there's a 20% off gift voucher which runs from now until Christmas Day, and it is Step Into Christmas, all one word, capital S, capital I, capital C. You'll find a link to the website just under the video, and the voucher code, so you can cut and paste it. So I still feel like this is actually different, this magazine. I don't remember this part where it said Star Stitch, because that's funny enough. I've just done a tutorial for Star Stitch, which is notoriously tricky, but my one is quite easy because there's a little trick to help you get through it. So if I can remember, when I come to put this video on, I will put a link. You know the 4 videos that come up at the end? It will be one of them. Okay, so I've lost my glasses. I know I found them. I've tucked them in my top. Here we go. So this then, simple stylish projects to make and love, adorable baby coat, 52 patterns to treasure, learn the basics, blanket bonanza, clever cloud motifs, a nice jumper, a doggy blanket with paws, that's kind of cute, could be for cats, and some chunky kind of slippers. And we've got amigurumi, I recognise a penguin, and a teddy. It's a polar bear, Tracy. A polar bear and a, well, let's get in. So this is what's in the Crochet Magazine bundle that is around now. So if you've already had the magazine but you want to get your hands on this, they've bundled them together. So hopefully it won't be too expensive. But it does look like a nice magazine. Wow, look at that. That's a make, isn't it? I don't think that's in here, but well, you never know. But I don't think it is. So we've got some little editorials. We won't bother with those. And even more. There's probably going to be lots of ads in this one as well. Different bits of style inspiration. Okay, winter lace. So I think this must be for this little kind of flimsy scarf. And we've got some mittens. So, oh, we've got a hat with right at the bit where you want to keep warm, a bit of a holy situation. So we've got a beret. The mittens, there they are. We've got the chart for those. And here's the scarf. That's quite nice. I like that. It's a bit dressy, isn't it? Not your usual run-of-the-mill, just scarfy. And we've got this one. This is for winter walks. So I'm trying to figure, it's got one of those drop necks, which I've never really used, you know, and one of those where your shoulder pops out if you're not careful, that sort of thing. I've never really worn those, but, you know, it might be nice. Happy Hexes. I think that is a bag. Yeah, definitely a bag. I thought, was it a top? But no, it's a bag. That one, quite nice. And there's the how to do bit. We've got Bias Beautiful. So this is another little cowl. It's called a distressed cowl. I was going to say any that I make are quite distressed, but that's not strictly true. Big hook crochet. So we've got some chunky stuff coming up. And I don't know if that's blanket or just something to put on your cushions. But we've got a basket. We've got those slippers that were on the front. They're called pom-pom boots. They're actually really nice. They're like Uggs, aren't they? But made with crochet. So they might be a nice thing to make. Tiddly Pom. Tiddly Pom. What's this? This is Little 'Uns Love Crochet, especially if it's soft and super huggable, much like Lynn Rose Pom Pom Baby Set in cool gender neutral shades. Okay, so I don't know if you get the everything on this page, including the amigurumi, or what. Have a look. So we've got the blanket, we've got the slippers, not the amigurumi. And here's how to make a pom-pom, if you didn't know already. Dinky duffel coat. Isn't that gorgeous? Well, the baby, I mean. The actual coat is okay. It's not bad, but I'm not really keen on things that are not edged off. I always feel like they look like you've not finished it. But, you know, could easily be just finished with a nice little neat edging. This is an octopus, guys. I just thought, well, it's a lovey of some sort, but it's got no tentacles. But it is Otto Octopus. Too cool for school. So we've got a beanie or a couple of beanies. Oh, here we go. Polar party. I do like the penguin. My son, Paul, would love the penguin. He is a bit of a sucker for penguins. And here he is. He's so cute. Look at that. Oh, he's lovely. Penny and Peter penguin. So there are two, boy and girl. Didn't spot that before. Oh, he's so cute. And then the polar bear, also very nice. Knit Now Magazine advert for Home Truths. So we've got some wall hangings and stuff. Or you could use it as a placemat, couldn't you? What have they got it on here as a dreamy project? It doesn't say. I guess it's got a little hanger. See, this little doodad at the top. But if you don't put that on, you could always use it as placemats. And there's the chart. Have I got 2 pages then? No. It feels like I have. Feels so, no. Okay, this is the dog treats blanket. It's kind of cute. Look at that. That is nice. I might make Fluffy one of those. Fluffy's a cat, but I don't suppose she'll tell the difference. And then you can make this little coasters to go under their food. Fluffy actually needs a plastic one because she's so messy. So we've got tumbling blocks to kind of do this 3D thing. That's to put your pots on. So generously sized twin twine, it says there, pot holders are invaluable for saving burnt fingers and your tabletop. But you'll need a specific yarn, I think, for that. Baker's twine or household string. That's what you could use to make it. Baker's twine and household string I've yet to see in these kind of variegated kind of colours and stuff. But who knows? Maybe I've not looked in the right place. And we've got a peg bag. I remember making a peg bag when I was at school. And I had that peg bag well into my 30s until it finally fell apart. And I've never found a good one since. But there you go, you can make one. Hot water bottle. It's quite a nice one. Not too holy to get your foot burnt. patchwork pillow made with hexagons. And in our good books, so we're looking for books then, are we? Can't really see. Okay, this is Interview by Laura Strutt, Modern Granny Square Crochet and More. So it's just one book, and it's called Modern Granny Square Crochet and More, but it doesn't say how much it is, or does it there? Oh, hang on. Maybe it does at the bottom here. There we are. It is Modern Granny Crochet, published by Chico Books at $12.99. There it is. Crochet, I've invented a new art form. Blue skies blanket. It's just stuck on, really, isn't it? The clouds, so just a big granny. 15 quick ideas. So you've got cup covers and make a cactus. That's the word I'm thinking of. And a fox. I'm really good with these amigurumis. You know that, don't you? I like the little tail on the back of the piggy. That is sweet. And then you can put it around your jars or little planty things. Oh, that's nice. I quite like this hat. So this is for man, a man's hat. And Gary likes his hats to go about this length. He doesn't like them coming over like a full beanie. But this wood, as you can see, has got it all scrunched up. So, yeah. There's another beanie. Camera buddies. What? Put it round your lens of your camera. What on earth will they think of next? So we got bunny ears. We got frog. As well. Is that a lion? Oh, I don't know. Probably. It's like, we've got a rabbit. Yeah, I recognise the rabbit. It is a lion. Oh my God, I'm getting good at this stuff. And a frog. So we've got chic chevrons. This is makeup bag. So you have to learn how to put a zip in for that though, I think. Crafty Fox Notions set. I really don't know why they call things notions, but they do. It's always something that has baffled me. Fiesta Frankie and Fruity Charms. But here's a pincushion. That's quite sweet. So you can subscribe to Crochet Now Magazine. Inside every issue, over 25 patterns from expert designers, blah, 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 blah. And I haven't got any free gifts, so I'll move on. How to. So in this, it tells you the essential bits and bobs that you need to make the stuff that's in this book. The basics, how to do it, abbreviations, even the magic ring. Let's hope they haven't gone around their fingers 25 times. Crochet Society advert and crochet gifts, oodles of inspiration for perfect handmade presents. So that's just an advert for what we've just seen, which makes no sense because we've just seen it all. So that is a book in itself, and there's more, funnily enough, there's more in that than there is the actual magazine it came with. Although I'm a bit spun really because it didn't come in the magazine when the magazine was sent to me. What do you think of that then? If you want to see this magazine, it is actually on there. It's edition number 86, if you haven't seen it already. If there's anything in there that catches your eye. So tell me what you think, and why do they do that, I wonder? Why would they send it to me, again, the same one, but with a different gift? It's a bit bizarre. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.